First day here, yeah, bitch, it's Monday though. I don't even wanna be here, yeah, ho. Yeah, we back at it like it's Tuesday. Mix the lean up with the lemonade.
Alright, what's good? Haven't done this shit in a minute, but let's get into this shit. So, today I'll be teaching y'all niggas how to do this fucking one-way type beat, or I'll show y'all how to rap on a one-way type beat, like how Autumn does in that song called One Way. So I'm gonna show y'all niggas how to do this shit. So basically, you're gonna just find a beat that is similar to the one-way song, or any beat that similar and shit, and then you're just gonna play the beat. Alright, let me take off the everything on it. This is the original beat. Alright, we get it. That's the beat. Let me turn my lights on. That's the beat. So, I'm gonna just get into how I got the beat sounding, how it is now. So, I just put on the auto key to find the auto tune and shit. That's to find the key. This is the best way, in my opinion, to find the key of your song, your auto tune settings, any of that. Then I have this little mic wheel effect, and it just makes the beat do this. To where if I take it off, you know what I mean? It kind of just has that in the beginning of the song and shit. So, yeah. But here we at now. We're gonna get into the song. So, to get into the song and to how to record, you just press 1. You press 1 right there, and you route your whatever your second track is to this. You route track only. Boom. That's how you record. So every time you want to record and you want to sing your vocals to here, every time you go on to the second track and you be like, all right, I want to record my main vocals. Boom. You route it to this. You route it to the main vocal. Boom. If you want to be like, all right, I want to record my Ad-Libs. Boom. Now you're recording Ad-Libs. Or you could hear your voice in the Ad-Lib. You know what I mean? I could hear it and shit. Let me see. What is it? Let me see if I can fucking. Yeah. How do I fucking. Fuck? What the fuck? Yeah, see. Just like this. I'm talking. Yeah. Y'all can hear me. But if I go into the preset, yeah. You know what I mean? Like, you guys can hear me. So that's how you want to sound. You don't want to just hop on that bitch, putting shit together. You want to kind of hear yourself from how you hear on the preset. So that's how you get the preset working and shit. And as you can see here, this is my auto tune settings. 10, 100. This is the exact. This is actually Jace's preset, by the way. Shout out to Gunner. This is Jace's preset. I'll link it in the description below. Shout out Gunner. Pretty much just changed the bit of the preset. I added a flangus so I can make my vocals softer. And all that does is pretty much like kind of makes your vocals a little bit softer, to where if you have a harsher tone like I do, it works. But you can also EQ and, or rearrange how you did on the song or some shit. But it's really your choice. So, as you can see here, I got the reverb, the delay, all that shit. The only thing that matters is the flangus and the auto-tune settings. Because everything else, like the limiter, like that shit that you're really supposed to do on your own. I mean, I'm not going to say, like, I left some of it how it is, but I changed some of it. So, a lot of it is just, like, I left it there. A lot of the songs is, like, I changed the EQ. But that's how it is, bro. So, a lot of the times, you're not going to feel like you need to change shit, but that's okay. But you may play it in your headphones and realize, okay, maybe I need to change that shit. That's always what it is, bro. Mixing is, like, it's a game that you have to get used to and, like, always keep attacking till you get better at it. If you just try to mix a song once and expect it to be good after that one mix. It doesn't matter how long you sit there. You can sit there for 6 hours critiquing the fucking, like, bro, you gotta take time to be like, let me come back the next day. Hear this bitch. That's what a lot of the mixes. That's a lot of like a lot of the best songs y'all hear. They mix that song like 16, 20 times because just that little sting. But like, don't over exaggerate it to where like you gotta fucking critique everything because you're not. None of y'all niggas are at the point where you have to make millions out of this shit, or you know what I mean? Like y'all are still like underground, non-scene, nobody cares to where like you can make mistakes. Niggas who are in that industry shit, bro, if they make a couple mistakes on the track, it's up, bro. So, you know what I mean? Like, just, you know, always like, if like, don't always leave the preset, always change it. Always, maybe even move the delay up. Like, I'm gonna start doing that. Like, maybe I should move the delay up, or you know, change it around to see what fits for you. But yeah, auto tune settings, limiter. The limiter is pretty much just used as like a de-esser. It's not really used. I mean, it's not really used. I'm not using the compressor part, so it's used as like a de-esser. The EQs, the compressor. You got the soundganizer, the convolver, which is basically the ghost shit. If you guys don't know, basically, let me show y'all niggas. So if you don't know what the ghost reverb is, it's basically this. Yeah. You see how I like the comeback? Yeah. So that's what the convolver does. And then you got the flingers. Like I said, it makes your vocal softer, and reverb, and then delay. So yeah, now I'm gonna play the song. Right now. I'm gonna show y'all the song basically. I'm gonna play it with the raw vocals right now. So the preset's gonna be off. Everything's gonna be off. I'm gonna show y'all niggas what it is. Let's get it.
First day here, yeah, bitch, it's Monday, though. I don't even wanna be here, yeah, ho. Yeah, we back at it like it's Tuesday. Mix the lean up with the lemonade. Middle of the week, yeah, Wednesday.
Alright, so that was the raw version. Now I'm finna get into the preset version. So I'm gonna put the presets on to the both main and ad-libs. So I'm gonna show y'all niggas what that sounds like right now. Let's get into it. Boom.
First day here, yeah, bitch, it's Monday, though. I don't even wanna be here, yeah, ho. Yeah, we back at it like it's Tuesday. Mix the lean up with the lemonade. Middle of the week, yeah, Wednesday. I'ma sell a purple panel Kool-Aid. Ha ha, yeah, it's Thursday. Bitch, I cannot wait till I get paid. Now it's Friday, nigga, yeah, I'm hanging with my friends. We gon' run it up, nigga, yeah, shit never ends. Yeah, it's Saturday, yeah, it's my time. And it's Sunday, yeah, the sun will shine.
Yeah, basically. So the reason why I took off the beats because I want y'all to hear the vocals. The beat really like, I know the beat's gonna fit with it, but like I just want y'all to hear the vocals because that's what this whole video is about. Y'all niggas need to learn how to mix once you have the preset. You don't need to sit there and like add EQs and shit. You don't need to do that way a method of mixing. You can, but you don't need to sit there from scratch. But if you do use these presets, you gotta understand a lot of these presets are for the artist. So they're made for the artist. So that means if Jace hopped on this preset, it's gonna sound like most of his songs because this is what I'm assuming this is what the preset he would use before. I'm pretty sure he changed some of it now, but like I'm using it as an example. This would most likely be his preset because he used it at some point to where like for me, I'm using it, but I'm also changing shit around because I realize if it changed shit around, it fits for me. It's what you gotta do. So don't be thinking that I'm gonna buy a preset and I'm not gonna change shit. Nigga, you're wrong. Bitch. You're wrong. But I'm gonna play the whole song. But hope y'all enjoy this video. That's pretty much it, man. Like that, like once you literally get down the fucking, you realize how you have to mix shit regardless if you have the fucking the shit in there. Like, yeah, man, it's like you're gonna have to mix regardless, bro. So don't think that you're just gonna slap a preset and it's gonna work. Sometimes it does. Bro, I'm telling you, get that fucking, you know what I mean? Yeah. But actually, this song doesn't have ad-libs. It's actually the double layer, so it's like just 2 layers of like the um the main vocals. It's just that on my on the layer, I just took off the convolver and the delay because that's too much like echoey, spacey vibes. I feel like that's just too much, and yeah, I just took it off and then I boosted up the flanges to make it more softer. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. The autotune settings the same, um, 10, 10, 100. But yeah, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all like and subscribe. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoy it. Peace out. I'll see y'all niggas later. But yeah, let's get it. Bam.